Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about submitting stock data to Luminovo endpoint. For those people who never heard about Luminovo, it is supply chain management company, and it does have API which we will be using in this demo. So let me show you the actual workflow package. So the first thing we do is set variables. One of them is token. After that, we get another token and we use it as a layer for authentication. The next step, we generate stock JSON file. We load the JSON file into variable called cbody. After that, we submit the data to Luminovo endpoint. Here's the URL. We're using post method. We submit in JSON. The body is taken from cbody variable, and we save the response into this file. Expected response status code is 207. It's rather interesting because I personally never seen this kind of response. Basically, what it does, it provides status for every single JSON object we submit. I will show it to you later. Let me run it. It takes a while. And the last step, what we do, we copy QED file into backup and copy JSON into backup as well. So work it. I'm just trying to find. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to go to the folder which I created. Luminovo live backup stock. So that's today 23rd. Okay, let me show you response we are getting. Just format it. You can see the size that was created, and there is error. So you need to pay attention to it. But again, the response is very detailed, so it is very useful for the user. Okay, if you want us to help you with your data transformation challenges, please feel free to contact us. We're always happy to assist. Please also like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.